Hello everyone, marhaban and thank you for watching Edupedia Word videos, the Arabic Cursive Writing by Hiba Abou Niaj. In this lesson we will learn how to join one letter to another. Let's get started. فلنبدأ. So, what is the Arabic Cursive Writing? Actually, in the Arabic script, most letters of any given word are joined to one another in a continuous flowing line. Arabic letters change their shape according to their position in a word, whether they are isolated, at the start of a word, in the middle, or at the end. Let's find more about the Arabic cursive writing. So, how to write letters in a cursive writing at the beginning or in the middle of the word. First, you have to find out the tail of the letter. Second, you have to take off the tail, and then you have to add a short straight line instead if there is no short straight line. How about the letters at the end of the word? So letters in a cursive writing at the end of the word, always capital, which means have the original shape of the letter. But there are a few exceptions. I will explain about this point later during this video. I will give you now examples for capital letters. So all of these letters over here has capital form, or they have the original shape of the letter. And now, to make the concept of cursive writing more easier, I sort out the letters into 6 groups. Now, I will talk about the first group. In the first group, we have the following letters: S, Sh, S, D, Q, L, and Na. The common thing between these letters is the cup shape. So now the question, how to join any letter in this group to another letter? The answer is, let's follow the rule. First of all, you have to find the tail. The cup shape over here is the tail. Then you have to take it off. After that, you have to add a short straight line instead because there is no straight line. In this way, you will get these letters in a cursive form at the beginning and in the middle of the word. Let's see these letters in a cursive or in a joined form. So here we have S, Sh, S, D, Q, L, and Na in a cursive writing. They are ready to join any other letter from the left side, and this is the shape of these letters at the beginning and in the middle of the word, and at the end this is the shape of these letters at the end of the word. Now the second group. In the second group we have B, T, Th, and Fa. The common thing between these letters is the plate shape. Now, how to join any letter in this group to another letter? The answer is, let's find the tail first of all. This is the tail. Then you have to take it off. And here, no need to add a short line because there is already a straight line. So let's see these letters in a cursive writing. This is B, T, Th, Fa in a cursive writing. They are ready to join any other letter from the left side. These are the letters in the beginning of the word and in the middle of it. And one more thing, the shape of the letters at the end of the word is like this: Ba, Ta, Tha, and Fa. This is the second group. Let's see the third group. In the third group we have J, H, and Kh. The common thing between these 3 letters is the C shape. How to join any letter in this group to another letter? The answer is, we have to follow the rule. First of all, let's find out the tail. So the C shape is the tail. Then you have to take it off. After that, you have to add a short straight line instead. Let's see these letters in a joint form. So here we have J, H, Kh in a cursive writing, ready to join any other letter from the left side. These are the letters, the shape of the letters at the beginning and in the middle of the word, and these are the letters at the end. And here you have to pay attention for the place of the dot. In ja, it goes underneath the letter. The next group. Fourth group. In the fourth group, we have ta and va. Both have already straight line ending, so they are ready to join any other letter from the left side with no changes. So here, ta and the, this is the shape of ta and the at the beginning and in the middle plus at the end. So there will be no change in the shape of ta either at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of any word. Next group, the fifth group, we have in the fifth group a, wa, da, za, ra, and za. The letters in this group is called naughty letters or special letters. Why? The answer is because they can be joined from the right side only, but not the left. So as you see here, a, wa, da, za, ra, za can be joined from the right side, but not the left. For this reason, they called naughty letters or special letters. The last group, I think, yes, it is the last, sixth and last group. We have in this group ka, ma, ya, ha, and a. All the letters here in this group has no rule. So let's check the letters in the cursive writing. For ka, this is the shape for ka in at the beginning and in the middle of the word, and this is the shape of ka at the end. Ma, this is the shape at the beginning and in the middle, this one at the end. Ya, the shape of ya, beginning, middle, and this is at the end. Here's the shape of ha, beginning, middle, end joined, end not joined. What I mean with end not joined, if there is a naughty letter before it, we use this shape of ha. If there is a, wa, da, za, ra, or za before the letter ha, we use this shape of ha. For ha, this is the shape for ha at the beginning, middle, end of the word, and if it is joined. If it is at the end but not joined, we use that shape. The same thing for gha. This is the shape of gha at the beginning, middle, end of the word if it is a join. If it is not joined, we use this shape of gha. So remember, always the letters at the end of the word are capital except for ha, ra, and gha. They have different shapes. So this is ha at the end, a at the end, and gha at the end. Here if they are joined, there if they are not joined. And now here we have some examples that show you how to join one letter to another. Remember that you will try to find that letter from which group, then find the tail, take it off, and put a straight line instead if there is no straight line. And always remember the last letter, you have to keep it capital. Look carefully at these examples and find out how to do this. Here we have an example for na. Na has a cup shape, so this is the tail. Take it off, put straight line. Ha, from the last group, there is no rule for it, and you have to remember that this is the shape of ha in the middle. It looks like 8, and always remember the last letter should be capital. Then you have to join them to join up these letters to each other, and this is the shape of the word, and it is nahada. You can now check the other examples, how to write muallim, the steps for writing the word muallim, the steps for writing kesaba, and the steps for writing the word jamil. Once you finish, you can carry on. Here, in this list, we have more examples, but this time each word has a naughty letter. So, for shariba, again, it has a cup shape. You have to take it off and then put a straight line. Ra, it is from the naughty letter or special letters, can be joined from right side but not left. So it can be joined with sha but not with ba. Here is the word shariba. This is shariba in a cursive writing or in a joined form. There are more examples. ذكر, how to write it, and check the steps for word. If you can notice over here, wa, ra, and da, these three letters are all naughty letters, so there will be isolated. So wa will not join ra, ra will not join da. All will be isolated. And here check how to write talib, and it has a, which is from the naughty letters. These are the examples. Now it's your turn. Try to test yourself and try to write the following words in a cursive form. After that, you can check your answers. At this moment, you can pause your video to take your time and to join one letter to another. So follow the rules and pay attention for the naughty letters and for the last group, which has no rule. And then you can check your answers and compare it with the following answers. So here are the answers. This is the way how to write ثبت, غسل, ترك. This is the naughty letter. There should be a small space between ra and ka because it cannot be joined from the left side. Here جمع, أكل, حفظ, نعس, لصق, صغر, قلب, نسي, and ذهب. So if you write most of them or all of them correctly, this means you get the idea perfectly in a proper way. That's all about the Arabic cursive writing. Hope you enjoy it and you find it easy. Well, when you master the cursive writing, this will help you a lot with the next lessons, which is about reading skills. Thank you for watching. شكرا جزيلا للمتابعة and be ready for the next lesson. إلى اللقاء.